Now,
Good afternoon, YouTube fans. Welcome back to Poetry House on a Friday. See that tree right there? Right here? Right here. It's a tree. But where the leaves at? It goes away in the fall. So let's bring it on back here, ladies and gentlemen, to me. Tell you a little truthful story about trees. Trees take water. Birds can fly over the tree, get the same thing. Water, water, water. But how many times are you supposed to watch a bird go over the tree? As many times as you want. As long as you get a peace of mind uh, from a tree. But when you look at the tree, what do you imagine? The tree is empty. Over here, no, no leaves on it. The trees are dead. It's a dry, dry tree. No water. What if we had no food in the winter time and we was a plant or a tree? How do we know where the nature is? The nature is the tree, the city, all the trees are built up. See, like that tree right there? That look like a Christmas tree. See that right there? That look like a Christmas tree. You could use that as a tree. That tree gets so big because the air and the water convince oxygen from the tree. So, when you have a vision about trees, go outside and write a story about a tree. Man, trees can make oxygen. Trees can make paper. You know, the branches can make paper after trees gone. But that's basically how a tree is prevent. And how you grow a tree, you plant the seed into a ground. It can be a fruit tree, a plum tree. I don't. I never. I never heard of a banana tree, but the thing is that there's a whole lot of things that come from trees. Nature is good. Uh, water can grow. Water can help the trees grow and the plants grow. That's how anything can grow. A relationship can grow. Uh, your friendship can grow because you can have a friend, or it can be a dog. Your, your, your friendship can grow with your dog. Man, there's a lot of things that can help the relationship grow if you have a problem. Not, not to create a problem, but I'm just saying, plant is the same thing. You need food to grow from a plant. You need oxygen for everything. You need oxygen to breathe. You need to have some time to yourself. So the thing is, always think of something that's real different on this New Year's Day.
It's coming up.
Cause I'm not gonna stay on here long again. Cause I made the poem too long last time. uh, I did not mean to do that, and I wanted to do this little poem for you guys because everything has to grow in its own way, and I just moved back up here to Madera, California. So uh, my my plan is to grow here. I miss everybody in the Bay Area, but I'm still growing. And thank you for the lady that is uh, recording me today. I just thought I'd come outside instead of being in my office and work a little bit out here today and tell everybody that everybody needs a friend every once in a while to lean on, to talk to. I got plenty of friends at the Ark. I got uh, friends in the Bay Area. Got a friend here with me right now, and she's helping me with a lot of things right now. So I'm not saying that it's anything bad. A friendship can be good. Friendship can be anything, you know. Friendship can be with a dog or fish. It can be with animal. It can be with pigs. It can be with horses. It can be with anything. So everybody has to find a special friend that's important to them. Thank you for listening to my little story today. The end. Poetry House out.